Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, in this short session, I will tell you about this assignment number 2. Marks of this assignment number 2 will be 10, and the weightage will be decided later, and that weightage will be decided according to the total number of assignment you will be assigned at the end of this semester. But you must keep in mind about 10 marks while attempting this assignment. The topic of assignment is traditional pay systems and performance appraisal methods. In one of the lectures, we discussed in detail that what are the traditional pay systems, and most importantly, we discussed about the two pay systems, that is seniority-based pay systems and merit-based pay systems. Then in this lecture, we also discussed about the performance appraisal methods and the different biases involved in the performance appraisal. So all the topics which have been discussed in this particular lecture will be and should be considered while attempting this assignment. You should carefully go through the said lecture in detail in order to prepare for the assignment. Then you can also take the help from the different class notes as well as from the internet in order to solve this assignment. The assignment due date is 10 December 2020, and there will be no change in the submission date. You should submit it within the due time, and I will upload this assignment on Mollam as well as on Google Classroom. So please submit submit the assignment in the relevant forum. There are two questions in this assignment. The first question is: subjective performance evaluations are subject to several rater errors, which makes objective measures seem a better alternative. We have discussed the different subjective performance evaluation methods and objective performance evaluation methods in detail, and we also discussed the comparison between these two types of evaluation methods. So you'll have to discuss when subjective performance evaluations might be better or more feasible than the objective ratings. So go through the lecture. I think we have already discussed that what are the different conditions under which the subjective performance evaluations will be better. So you can compare the different subjective and the objective measures, and then you can discuss about the preference of these subjective performance measures under the different situations. The second question is that this chapter indicates that merit pay plans appear to be the most common form of compensation. Now again, in this lecture, we have discussed and compared the two types of systems, that is merit-based pay systems and seniority-based pay systems. Although widely used, these systems are not suitable for all the kinds of jobs. Based on your knowledge of merit pay systems, identify at least 3 jobs for which merit pay system is inappropriate. Be sure to provide your rationale. Rationale means you'll have to justify whatever jobs you will suggest under this question. You'll have to justify it. So please give the justification for each job, and also justify that why it is a merit pay system will not be suitable for that particular job. So in this question, you will have to identify 3 different jobs. Again, you can go through the lecture, you can go through the different material, and then submit both of these questions within due date. Again, I have been told earlier that plagiarism should be avoided. And in the last assignments, there were some plagiarized assignments. So be careful about that. Uh, Copy paste is just not allowed, even it is from the book or from the internet sources. So be very careful about, because I will not accept the plagiarized assignments, and that will be straight away graded as 0. So be careful about uh, when you're going to submit this assignment. So that's all about the assignment number 2. Again, please submit within the due date. I will not change or extend the time for the submission of this assignment. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.